Hi there. I am Melissa Hereford, the founder of Negotiate with Confidence. I want to talk to you today about silence and the power of silence. Why do we say silence is golden? I have a theory about this, and it is that silence is golden because those who are able to be comfortable in moments of silence win. You are more likely to get what you want when you are able to just be quiet. Let me give you an example. Let's say you're meeting with a coworker and the coworker says, Melissa, I need you to get that report to me by Friday. I look at my calendar. My calendar is completely booked. I cannot fit another thing in. I look at my coworker and say that. My calendar is completely booked between now and Friday. And then I'm just quiet. I don't give a solution. I don't give any reasons. I just state the fact that my calendar is completely booked. If I allow that silence to hang for a moment and don't try to fill it, my coworker is more likely to come up with a suggestion, a solution, or a reason. You do not have to solve every single problem. And in fact, that's where the gold lies. Oftentimes, when you're comfortable in that moment of silence, the other person will give in. They will say, okay, well, could you get it to me by Tuesday? Tuesday is much better than Friday, right? Because you're completely booked between now and Friday. And think about the outcome of that kind of powerful moment. Instead of staying late every single day between now and Friday, instead of rearranging your entire schedule, missing your kids' baseball game, missing your yoga class, you are able to get that deliverable to the other person by Tuesday because you didn't fill that uncomfortable moment of silence. And isn't that gold for you? Imagine how that could change your life. I'm Melissa Hereford, Negotiate with Confidence. Go on over to my website, melissahereford.com, for lots of ideas and free resources that you can download to help you be a better negotiator and live a life you love.